Have you ever thought about expanding your menu with unusual edible plants? Picture this. You're adding an unexpected twist to your meals, bringing in unique flavors and textures that whisk your taste buds off on a culinary adventure. Not only that, but these uncommon plants can also pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. So why stick to the ordinary when the extraordinary is just a garden away? Stay tuned as we delve into some examples of these unique plants you might want to consider. First on our list is the humble dandelion. Often overlooked, this yard's unsung hero is a culinary delight. Its leaves add a unique tang to salads, and it can be steeped to make a healthful tea, rich in vitamins A, C, and K. So next time you see a dandelion, consider it for your salad, not just your compost bin. Next up, we have purslane, often dismissed as a weed. This versatile plant graces dishes from salads to stews, even stir-fries, infusing them with its unique flavor. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, purslane is not just a weed, but a nutritious addition to your meals. Finally, we introduce you to nasturtium, a beautiful and tasty plant. Known for its vibrant flowers and peppery leaves, it's a perfect addition to salads or as a unique garnish. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C. Nasturtium not only adds color to your garden, but also to your plate. There you have it, 3 unusual edible plants to expand your menu. The yard's unsung hero, a weed worth eating, and the peppery petal, all offering unique flavors and benefits. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content. Until next time, happy gardening and bon appetit!